Can you log into your Cash App with your cash tag? In this tutorial, we're going to find out if that is possible. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Cash App application. And once you open it up, in order to log into your account, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then you'll be taken to the login page where you have an option to enter either your email or phone number that's connected to your account. There is no option to enter the cash tag because cash tag is just a personalized username in Cash App. It is formatted with a $sign followed by a unique username that uniquely identifies your account. So once you have logged into your account, it will send you a verification code on your email or an SMS code on your phone. Then tap on next to simply log in. And if you tap on the top right corner, it will direct you to your profile. So here on your profile, right below your name, you'll be able to see the username that is your cash tag. So what it does is it allows you to send and receive money without having to share personal details like your phone number or email address. So cash tags just simplify your transaction by allowing others to pay you directly without using this identifier, but without having to use your email or your phone number. So there is no option to log into your Cash App with your cash tag as of now, but if Cash App brings out this feature, we'll be the first one to let you know. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.